Imagine unknown numbers adding me to over 150 groups on Telegram. That's quite frustrating because sometimes after deleting their groups and exiting their groups, they will still add you back. And now I have gotten rid of all those groups. Watch this video to the end if you want to get rid of your groups. Welcome back. This is Axod. Do you want to remove yourself from groups and stop people from adding you to unknown groups on Telegram? Then watch this video to the end. Let's go to Telegram. This is my Telegram, and the next thing is you go to these three buttons here. Then you go to your settings, and after that you go to your privacy and security. And here we are under the groups here. So what will be there is everybody over here. So just click on everybody here and you change it to my contacts. That is, only those who have your contacts would be able to add you to groups on Telegram. Then you may not want all your contacts to add you also. You can always allow that you want to allow some set of people. So I just want to allow someone. So this is the person I want to allow, Abu Muhammad. Then you press this button. Then you press here. So no one will be able to add you to any groups except that contact. I hope this video is beneficial. If so, don't forget to subscribe and to like and to share the video and to comment so I can know what's happening over there. Thanks. See you later.